Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Today, guys, I'm doing something that has been requested. I don't know how much time people drop in the comment section. Too much. So we're gonna see what is this about. It's hold on, let me get the scene here. It is Nittoli, New America. I hope I'm pronouncing the person's name right. Nittoli, New America. So we're gonna jump in the one and see what is it about. But everyone seems to be telling me, yo, react to this. So I don't know what to expect. So I'm not gonna be all hyped about it until I see what is what. So let's go, guys. Let's go.
America. Yeah. So we here now. America. Living in this new country. Woo. This new America. We got a new America, everybody. I didn't know that we became a new country, but apparently we did. America. So here we are. Here's in this new America. How do you like it? And I'm just curious, like, how do you like it so far? Yeah.
Whatever this is a message already. This is some sort of a message. I don't know what type of message, but this is a message. For him to keep emphasizing a new America, obviously when the big C came in and changed everything, the pandemic changed everything. So I don't know what kind of message is this. I think I know, but I don't want to say it, so let's see.
Welcome to like this shit. But it's really just America. Woo. Boys and girls, congratulations. You're turning the world into something worse than Satan. I can't even say I fucked the bitch. If I fucked her, that's some shit'll get me canceled in cancel culture.
I can't even say I fucked the bitch if I fucked her, because that's some shit to get you cancelled in the cancel culture. Oh shit.
Bitch, if I fucked her, that's some shit'll get me canceled in cancel culture. I swear they just hang on every word like wolves and vultures. But I'm here, I'm fucking here, so grab your rubbers, your favorite new rappers, what you just discovered.
I'm trying not to get distracted by the video. I'm trying to listen to the words to find the message. That is what I'm trying to do, guys. So all this scary shit and that doesn't scare me. I'm trying to hear the words what he's saying.
Now go and plug the ears of your daughters, mothers, freedom. But I'm here, I'm fucking here, so grab your rubbers, your favorite new rappers, what you just discovered. Now go and plug the ears of your daughters, mothers, freedom of speech is like the past when you speak it. Why you think you got that mask on that's blocking your speech? And
This is one of the reaction that I'm not gonna say much in. I'm not gonna give my opinion on nothing. I'm just here to listen to this song. I'm not gonna give that opinion. You guys set me up though. You guys in the comment section set me up, cause you guys know say something like this I will be speaking on it. So Uno tell me so if I react to it to hear what me I gonna say. Me not say nothing. When I move with a bumbo clock. Me not saying nothing. Me not saying anything. I not saying nothing. I just watching.
Never seen so many people of your daughters, mothers, freedom of speech is like the past when you speak it. Why you think you got that mask on that's blocking your speech? And I never seen so many people afraid of gays, afraid to say what the fuck they were gonna say. Like, wait, hold up, I really mean it in the way I hold up my middle finger when I wave and say, don't.
The song itself is not all that, but the message in the song, what he's saying in the song, is controversial as fuck. It is controversial, dog. And I don't want to say nothing. I don't want to say nothing. I don't want my channel to get taken down. You guys set me up, man. I know my channel get taken down by this shit. No, I don't
give a fuck. Fake.
That's why I'm not even repeating anything that he's saying. I'm just giving my facial expression. So try to tell off my facial expression what I'm thinking, cause I don't want my channel get taken down for fuckery. I don't want to get cancer. Oh shit! I don't want to get cancer, guys. I do not want to get cancer. Let's go.
News got y'all all feeling woke as fuck. Hold up, I really mean it in the way I hold up my my middle finger when I wave and say, don't give a fuck. Fake news got y'all all feeling woke as fuck. Say Donald Trump's gonna come back and save your butt. But I really think it's funny how this country went to shit. Your little girl's gonna see a fat dick like when she pisses. Way before anybody would have gone and predicted. Cause Erica, who is Eric's pussy's really not legit.
YouTube, I never say nothing. YouTube! I did not say anything, and I don't have nothing to say. I'm just here listening to the song. I've been set up. They set me up. YouTube. So, oh my God. Them set me up, YouTube. Oh my God. Why? You guys, next time I'm going to tell myself react. Next time so much of you guys come in this comment section and tell me react, I'm not going to react, because something must be up with it. I'm moving a blood clot. I'm not going, man. I'm not going.
And predicted, cause Erica, who is Eric's pussy's really not legit. And how these parents not live it. Why the fuck am I the only one who's making songs about boys who have clits? All with
set me up. Yo, fuck the whole out, dog. Gonna set me up. And somebody wanna say some things, but I can't say nothing, dog. I cannot say anything. Oh shit. Yo! Oh my God. Oh, how is this song still on YouTube? How come YouTube hasn't blocked this song yet? Knowing YouTube that they're so sensitive, they will block this Ross. Or they're not block it yet. Let's go.
well, forget it. You say you the king of controversy. I'm the captain. I'm the madman. Now it's time to get back to lockdown. You say, listen to your government and the cops now. And be a good slave, buddy. Don't get shot down. New America. Here's your new America. How do you like it? New America.
Oh my God.
Welcome to hell, but it's really just America. We got a new system, warn the Christians. Maybe Jesus owned slaves, it'll start a conniption. Start covering up the tracks of anybody who did shit. And we can all pretend to live in a world of such innocence. We'll get rid of Pepe Le Pew and all the characters. And lock up some celebs just to save the embarrassment. Seems like Cosby didn't like his jello quite the way y'all said. Anyone who questions this just winds up dead. Bang. And I don't mean to be scaring y'all. Welcome to the new America. Here's your new America. How do you like it? New America. Welcome to hell, but it's really just America. New America. Here's your new America. How do you like it? New America. Welcome to hell, but it's really just America.
Zip. Guys, bye-bye. I'm gone. I ain't got nothing to say. Good night. Bye. I'm gone.